26 ways you might be teaching letter sound incorrectly. Here is how you can teach them correctly.
A. Apron. A. Apple. B. Ba. B. Ball. C. Cup. K. Cat. D. Da. D. Doll. E. Eagle. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Giraffe. G. Goat. H. Horse. I. Ice cream. Ink. J. Shoes. K. Kite. L. Lion. Mango. N. Nose. Orange. P. Parrot. Queen. Rat. Seed. Tree. Unicorn. Up. V. Vase. W. Water. X. Box or xylophone. Y as in yellow. Z as in zoo.
Follow for more videos. Love and peace to all.